now and again, Goil makes good things happen. This time, Goil has introduced Super XP Ron 95, a higher grade fuel loaded with additives and yet sold at the same price as normal fuel. Goil Super XP Ron 95 enhances engine performance like never before. It maintains the engine by keeping it clean from carbon deposits. Goil Super XP Ron 95 is designed to burn slowly and thus improves fuel economy, making you save money after several kilometers. Goil Super XP Ron 95 gives you a smooth driving experience, that is, less vibrations. Fill up with Goil Super XP Ron 95. Now there's no need to pay more for any higher grade fuel. Goil has that sorted. Goil, good energy.
I rather your humble servant do my back. I'm a tightness of crowd into the moon. I swear that Jimmy, my 277. What's your missa? Had been my papa to go me so. 2020 was a very tough year. 2021, dear mafia. First, me talk about Gary Kitwebi. Say the concrete and casa and the midi gumium. Papi, in the system, no wire ding. Has been so dear, but me, I am a kama. I am young palm, the Miamato. Show me a miracle.
It's showering cash with a grand prize of 100,000 Ghana cedis in the Airtel Tigo Tugumisu promo. Top up, do so much more on Airtel Tigo and earn points to win lots of cash. Dial star 500 hash and recharge 5 Ghana cedis to also win data and call minutes. Get Airtel Tigo.
I tell Tigo no, my dear.
It's scary, isn't it? Putting yourself out there, facing your fears. All you need to do is keep trying and give it everything you've got, because everything you need to achieve the impossible is already inside you. So here's to the ones who give 100%. We celebrate you.
This advert is FDA approved.
Dano Milk. Go for it.
Yo, Charlie, what's up?
Bro, I do.
It's that time of the year again.
Abi, you know, we made it last year. What will be the challenge for today?
Time travel is possible. All we have to do is find E.
This one day, we could need more time for that.
But we have the best data bundles.
Yeah, bro, I see.
Do more with Ghana's best data bundles on Airtel Tigo. Big time data, Sika Coco, Morning Rush, and other amazing offers. Dial star 111 hash now.
Airtel Tigo. Life is simple.
Whoever you're doing it for, we'll help you get it done. Simply. That's Africanacity. That's ABSA.
Today, the question is no longer, why do we have problems? But rather, how can we spin those challenges into opportunities? This is the revolutionary mindset we, students here at Academic City, are driven by. Academic City, we believe that the challenges of today are nothing like the opportunities of tomorrow. Hence, we're poised for the future. And so we say,
come join us.
Pakuli.
Biasanyani.
Fuyai Tibatane.
Zafula Nabia.
Viens nous rejoindre.
Brabe Kayam. Ao, Amanasat Shame Hojao.
As we lead the charge to empower the next generation of future-ready leaders. Academic City University College, redefining university education.
Alande, make I walk you through my everyday life. Busy from the morning light. My to-do list long, shadow fit to overlap. So sharp, turn on mobile app. School fees check, light bills check. Do I'm with speed like a G4 jet. Baby, at the day I am not upset. Check, I don't even use checks to the check.
Join the ABSA family and make fast, easy, and safe transactions with our digital products. Log on to absa.com.gh. No long tail. We like them simple and easy.
Believe me, no long things in my life. Like I'm simple and easy.
We are offering our new and over 26 million existing customers worldwide an absolutely free COVID-19 cover. Yes, absolutely free. A couple of reasons. The satisfaction of knowing that you know we care. It's in conformity with who we are, the core of identity. We have a value of initiative that constantly drives us and to push the bar. We have a mantra, always listening, always understanding, and we back that up. Customer satisfaction is important to us. We have been doing this for over 170 years. We have honored our promise throughout the years. We were there in 1848 during the cholera pandemic, the sinking of the Titanic in 1912 through World Wars I and II, 1918 Spanish flu epidemic, through the decade of the Great Depression, 2002 SARS outbreak. And we certainly have every intention of honoring claims for this 2020 coronavirus pandemic. Hi, my name is Razak Abdul, and I'm the head of customer service here at Prudential Life Insurance Ghana. I invite you all to join the Prudential Life family today.
Here's innovation from Goyle that takes you further. New Gold Super Synthetic 5W20 and 5W30 lubes have been expertly crafted with the latest in liquid engineering technology, highly advanced for modern engines, prolongs oil change intervals, save you fuel, clean, protect and enhance engine performance. The way engines work has become complex, and Goyle has innovated to stay ahead with expertly crafted lubricants that work excellently with all petrol and diesel engines of today. New Goyle Super Synthetic 5W20 and 5W30 lubes. Innovation that takes you further. Goyle. Good energy.
Accra College of Medicine is the leading private medical college in the country, seeking to train doctors who are committed to excellence and have the heart power. With the state-of-the-art facilities, small class size and an amazing faculty, we help our students learn better.
My dream of becoming a medical doctor is now a reality because at ACM I am offered the best learning experience.
We are accredited by the National Accreditation Board and the Medical and Dental Council. ACM is affiliated to the University of Ghana with mentorship from the University of Ghana Medical School.
For those who want to pursue medicine, our doors are wide open. Accra College of Medicine,
is the place to be. Visit www.am.edu.gh to apply now. Accra College of Medicine, producing the next generation of health professionals.
Hello everyone. You are warmly welcome to the 1/8 stage of the 2022 National Championship of the National Science and Maths Quiz. Competing in this 8th contest are Aburi Presby Senior High Technical School, Anglican Senior High School, Kumasi, and Nkwatia Presby Senior High School. We will ask the contestants to introduce themselves to us and share with us their experience so far in the NSMQ 2022. Start with Aburi Presby Senior High Technical School. They are represented by
Lavran Selom Adama,
Ashley Israel Nijumo,
How has the NSMQ experience been for you this year?
First of all, I would like to thank the Almighty God for bringing us through from qualifiers to the 1/8 stage, and we pray that He continues to lead us through victory.
Okay, thank you. Best wishes to you. Anglican Senior High School Kumasi is our seeded school. They are represented by
Mujahid Abdullah, Muhammadu Ibn Yasser.
Anglican SHS. We didn't see you at the prelim stage, so how has your journey been since we last met in Kumasi at the regional qualifiers?
Last year, we were able to maintain our seed, and in the regional championship, we were semi-finalists, and we hope to win this contest.
Okay, great. Best wishes to you. Nkwatia Presby Senior High School is represented by
Kwabin Prince, Alfred Uwidu.
Okay. Okay, Nkwatia Presby, tell us about your journey this year on the NSMQ.
Oh, our journey has been good so far, and we wish the Almighty God to take us through this contest.
Okay, great. Best wishes to you as well. My name is Dr. Thelma Ohineje from the School of Pharmacy, University of Ghana, Legon. I'm your quiz mistress. The National Science and Maths Quiz is proudly sponsored by the Ghana Education Service in partnership with Absa Bank and supported by Joy News, Girl, Prudential Life Insurance, Airtel Tigo, GNPC, Dano Milk, Newmont Ghana, Puma Drinks, Academic City University College, Accra College of Medicine, Studio HD, and YFM. This is a primetime production. To our schools, this contest will come to you in 5 rounds. We are going to begin in round 1. Here, I'd ask you questions to test your knowledge of fundamental concepts in mathematics, physics, biology, and chemistry. If a question comes to your school and it involves calculations, you'd have 30 seconds to answer. If there are no calculations, 10 seconds. If you answer correctly, you'll be awarded 3 points. If your answer is incorrect, there's a penalty point. There's no penalty point to your school, but the question becomes available as a bonus to the competing schools. And the first school to ring their bell can take that bonus question. If they answer correctly, they have 1 point. However, if the answer is incorrect, then there's a penalty point of 1. In this round, I'll begin with Aburi Presby Senior High Technical School. The contest begins with a preamble to all the schools. Find the quadratic inequality in the form x squared plus bx plus c less than 0 or greater than 0 with solution set. I'll take that again. Find the quadratic inequality in the form x squared plus bx plus c less than 0 or greater than 0 with solution set. Aburi Presby, x such that minus 3 less than x less than 2. Yes. Israel.
The quadratic inequality is given by x squared plus x minus 6 is less than 0.
That's correct. Anglican SHS. X is such that x is greater than minus 1 or x is less than minus 4. Yes, Abdullah.
So, this one we have x squared plus 5x plus 4 greater than 0.
Yes, that's correct. In Nkwatia Presby, x is such that 2 less than x less than 5. Yes, Prince.
Okay, we have x squared minus 7x plus 10 less than 0.
No. No, actually that is correct. That is correct. A 5 nanocoulomb, this is a preamble, sorry. A 5 nanocoulomb charge is located at the origin, and a 9 nanocoulomb charge is located on the x-axis at x equals 4 meters. Find the electric field generated by this charge configuration at the point R. I'll take it again. A 5 nanocoulomb charge is located at the origin, and a 9 nanocoulomb charge is located on the x-axis at x equals 4 meters. Find the electric field generated by this charge configuration at the point R. Aburi Presby, R equals 2I meters. If you have the answer, yeah, speak.
Okay, the electric field is 9 Newton per coulomb.
No. A bonus. Okay, Anglican SHS. R equals 3I meters. Yes, Abdullah.
So we have 1.4 by 10 to the power -8 volts per meter.
No. A bonus. Nkwatia Presby. R equals I meters.
We have 1.35 times 10 to the power -7 volts per meter.
No, a bonus. Okay. Aburi Presby, your answer was -9I volts per meter. Anglican SHS -76I volts per meter. And then Nkwatia Presby 36I volts per meter. Aburi Presby, what is the systematic name for a 6-carbon compound bearing a carbonyl group at the terminal position? Yes, Salom.
Hexanal.
That's correct. Anglican. What is the systematic name for a 5-carbon compound possessing 2 OH groups on carbon 2 and carbon 5? Yes. Ibn.
So we have
into the microphone.
We have pentan 1,4-diol.
That's correct. Nkwatia Presby. What is the systematic name for a 7-carbon compound bearing a carbonyl group at the carbon 5 position?
Three heptanone.
That is correct. Indicate a preamble. Indicate whether the following are homologous or analogous pairs and give a reason. Indicate whether the following are homologous or analogous pairs and give a reason. Aburi Presby. 4 limbs of birds and 4 limbs of lizards. 4 limbs of birds, 4 limbs of lizards. Yes, Salom.
They are a homologous pair, and this is because they have the same body plan but are adapted to perform different functions. Thus, in the bird forelimb, it's adapted for flying, whereas the lizard's forelimb is adapted for movements on land, that's such as running.
2 out of 3. Anglican. Wings of a butterfly and wings of a bird. Yes.
They are analogous pairs, and this is because they all develop from different ancestors in their respective organisms to enable them fly. That is, they have different ancestors but have similar functions.
Yes. Nkwatia Presby, the mammalian tail, and the human coccyx, COCCYX. Yes, Prince.
Okay, they are homologous structures, and this is because they all perform the same functions, and this is because they all perform the same function, but they are different in structures.
1 out of 3. So the key here was to talk about whether they are homologous or analogous, but it's because of whether they come from a common origin or a different origin, and whether they perform the same function or a different function, okay? In Aburi's case, they talked about the fact that they perform the same function, but they didn't mention the fact that they have a common origin. Anglican talked about both similar function and different origins, and then Nkwatia just mentioned homologous. So there's no particular function for the human coccyx per se, but it's because they come from a common ancestor. Okay, so I only gave you mark for saying they are homologous structures. Okay. Find the gradient, a preamble. Find the gradient of the given curve at the point A on the curve. Find the gradient of the given curve at the point A on the curve. Aburi, x squared plus 2xy minus y squared equals 14 at A, 3,1. Yes.
The gradient is 1.
No. Bonus to Anglican Senior High School.
Madam, please, we have 2.
No. Anglican, your question. X squared minus xy plus y squared equals 7 at A, 2, minus 1. Yes.
Okay. Madam, we have -1.
No. Nkwatia Presby. Yes.
5.
No. Nkwatia Presby, your own question. 2x squared minus xy plus 3y squared equals 4 at A, 1,1. Yes. Prince.
We have -3 on 5. -3 on 5.
That's correct. So here you differentiate and then make dy dx the subject and find. You would have come to Aburi -2. And then Anglican 5 on 4. Okay. Aburi Presby. The coefficient of linear expansion of an alloy is 9.00 times 10 to the power minus 6 per Kelvin. Find the change in volume of 4.00 meter cube of the alloy when its temperature changes from 25.0 degrees Celsius to 75.0 degrees Celsius. Yes.
So we have 5.40 by 10 exponent negative 3 meter cube.
That's correct. Anglican SHS. The coefficient of linear expansion of a ceramic material is 4.40 times 10 to the power negative 7 per Kelvin. Find the change in volume of 15.0 meter cube of the material when its temperature changes from 20.0 degrees Celsius to 40.0 degrees Celsius. Yes, Abdullah.
2SF3.
So we have 3.96 by 10 to the power negative 4 meter cube.
That's correct. Nkwatia Presby. The coefficient of linear expansion of a substance is 2.90 times 10 to the power negative 5 per Kelvin. Find the change in volume of 1.60 meter cube of the substance when its temperature changes from 15.0 degrees Celsius to 40.0 degrees Celsius. If you have an answer, you can speak into the microphone. A bonus to Aburi.
3.48 by 10 exponent negative 3 meter cube.
That's correct. Aburi Presby. Calculate the mass of copper 1 sulfide present in 0.280 mole of a sample. Cu is 63.5, S is 32.0. Yes, Israel.
Okay, the mass is 44.5 grams.
That's correct. Anglican SHS. How many grams of titanium 3 oxide are present in 0.400 mole of a sample. Ti is 48.0, O is 16.0. Yes, Abdullah.
57.6 grams.
That's correct. Nkwatia Presby, what mass of barium nitrate is present in 0.0800 mole of a sample of the salt Ba137 N 14.0 O 16.0? Go ahead, Prince.
We have 20.88 grams.
No. Okay, Anglican.
20.9 grams.
That's correct. Aburi Presby. In healthy adults, there are two normal heart sounds which occur in sequence with each other. What name is given to these? Yes, Salom.
The lap dap sound.
That's correct. Anglican SHS. The lap sound corresponds to which of the three side systoles? Yes, okay. Yes.
Okay. It is caused by the arterial systole.
No. Okay. Yes, Israel.
The ventricular systole.
That's correct. In Nkwatia Presby, the dub sound is softer than the lub sound. So D, the dub sound, is softer than the lub sound. Name the valves whose closure results in the dub sound. So the DUB sound. Yes, Alfred.
Biscopic sound.
No.
The semi-lunar valves.
No. So it's the closure of the aortic and pulmonary valves that result in the dub sound. That brings us to the end of round one.
Make I walk you through my everyday life. Busy from the morning light. My to-do list long, shadow fit to overlap. So sharp, turn on mobile app. School fees check, light bills check. Do I'm with speed like a G4 jet. You be at the day, I am not upset. Check, I don't even use checks, see the check.
Join the ABSA family and make fast, easy, and safe transactions with our digital products. Log on to absa.com.gh. No long thing. We like them simple and easy.
Believe me, no long things in my life. Like I'm simple and easy. Easy.
At the end of round 1, here are the scores. Nkwatia Presby Senior High School, 9 points. Anglican Senior High School, Kumasi, 15 points. Aburi Presby Senior High Technical School, 18 points. Round 2 is a speed race. In this round, every question that is read out is open to all the schools at the same time. If you have an answer, you ring your bell. I'll stop and allow you to answer. If you answer correctly, and you're the first school that rang your bell, you have 3 points. A second school will have 2 points, and the last school will have 1 point if the preceding answers are incorrect. At any time, if you give an incorrect answer, there's a penalty point of 1. First question for the speed race. Evaluate the limit as x approaches 2 of x cubed minus 2x squared over x minus 2. Yes, Anglican. Yes, Abdullah.
16.
No. Aburi.
4.
That's correct. Find the equation of the point P with coordinates x, y. If the vectors A equals xi plus 2yj and B equals yi minus xj are perpendicular. Anglican SHS.
So we have y equals negative x.
No. Nkwatia Presby. Yes, your answer.
We have x is equal to 2y on y.
No. It's incorrect. Did you ring your bell? No? You won't ring it. Okay, so it's x equals 0 or y equals 0. I would have accepted x, y equals 0. Okay. The interior angles of a triangle are in the ratio 1:2:3. Okay. Aburi.
The angles are 30 degrees, 60 degrees, and 90 degrees.
No. I'll continue. Find the degree measures of the exterior. Okay. Anglican.
So we have 150 degrees, 120 degrees, and 90 degrees.
That's correct. A motorist moving at constant velocity approaches and overtakes a stationary device emitting a steady 100.0 Hertz note. If the motorist perceives the note as 110.6 Hertz as she approaches the device, find the frequency she perceives after overtaking the device. Okay, 89.40 Hertz. An object is placed 18 centimeters in front of a thin concave lens of focal length minus 22 centimeters. Find the distance between the image. Yes, Anglican.
Madam, please, we have the answer to be.
Okay.
One.
Any school, who rang the bell next? Nobody? Anglican, you're okay, give your answer, since nobody has rang.
Okay. We have the answer to be.
If somebody rings the bell, I'll move on, but nobody has rang, so you rang the bell. Oh, okay, I didn't finish the question. Find the distance, actually. No, it's over, between the image and the object. Yeah. Okay. Now, Aburi Presby. Go ahead, Salom.
28 centimeters.
No. Nkwatia Presby, no? Okay. So it's 8.1 centimeters. Okay. So Anglican will be penalized for that, right? For ringing the bell but not answering. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Find the magnetic force on a 1 coulomb charge of velocity 3I plus 6J meters per second in a region where the magnetic field is 2K Tesla. Aburi Presby.
Okay, so the magnetic force, is given I as negative 6G minus 12I, all in Newton.
No. Who rang the bell next? Anglican.
0 Newton.
No. Okay, it's 12I minus 6J newtons. Calculate the percentage by mass of carbon present in the compound with the molecular formula C2H8N4O2. N is 14, C is 12, O is 16, H is 1.0. Aburi Presby. Yes, Salom.
20%.
That's correct. Determine the sum of the coefficient of all products in a balanced equation of the reaction O2 plus C4H10 gives H2O plus CO. Yes, Anglican.
12.
No. Who rang the bell next? Nkwatia Presby. Yes.
18.
Yes, that's correct. What is the sum of neutrons and electrons in sulfur 35 ion with a charge of -2? Aburi Presby. Yes. Yes, Israel. Okay, Salom.
46.
No. I'm Anglican SHS.
You said protons and neutrons.
Yes.
34.
No. Yes, Nkwatia Presby.
We have 37.
That's correct. What name is given to the functional contractile unit of No. Anglican.
Okay. The myofiber.
No. The functional unit or contractile unit of a muscle fiber. It's a sarcomere. Name the plant group and the organ in which one can locate bulliform cells. Name the plant group and the organs in which one can locate bulliform cells. No? Okay, monocot leaves. What is the most abundant type of RNA? Yes, Aburi.
Ribosomal RNA.
That's correct. That brings us to the end of round 2. end of round 2, the scores are Anglican Senior High School, Kumasi, 10 points. Nkwatia Presby Senior High School, 11 points. Aburi Presby Senior High Technical School, 21 points. Before we move on to round 3, Anglican Senior High School would like Nathaniel Ej Esampong to come on for Abdullah Mujahid. Round 3. Round 3 is a round of the problem of the day. And this is a common problem that will be presented to all 3 schools at the same time. You'd have 4 minutes to provide a solution on the screen. The solution is worth 10. The correct solution is worth 10 points. That's the maximum you can get. At stake in this round, we have what we call the Prudential Life Insurance NSMQ Star. This will be awarded to a school that earns a perfect score of 10 points for the problem of the day. At this stage, it is worth 2,400 Ghana cedis to the team. Kindly flip your scripts. Let's read the problem of the day together. Solve for x, a real number, from the equation 4 to the power x plus 16 to the power x equals 64 to the power x. Start work. Okay. The schools have presented their solutions to the problem of the day on the screen. I've looked at it, assessed it. Before I give the points awarded, I'll take you through the solution from the maths consultant. So in this problem of the day, they were to solve for x, a real number, from the equation 4 to the power x plus 16 to the power x equals 64 to the power x. The consultant was even kind enough to hint them and say, let u be equal to 4 to the power x. This was on their sheet as well. So the solution, if you let u equals 4 to the power x, that will mean u squared is 16 to the power x, and u cubed is 64 to the power x. And therefore, u plus u squared equals u cubed. So u cubed minus u squared minus u will be equal to u multiplying the expression u squared minus u minus 1 equals 0. So then you have u, it's either u is equal 0 or u squared minus u minus 1 equals 0. U equals 0 means 4 to the power x equals 0. It has no solution. U squared minus u minus 1 equals 0. If you solved, u will be equal to 1 plus or minus root 5 over 2. So if you had given me all these steps and come to this answer, at this point you'd have 7 marks. Therefore, 4 to the power x equals 1 plus root 5 on 2. And so if you took log of both sides, x will be equal to log to the base 4 of 1 plus root 5 on 2. If you give x equals log of the expression 1 plus root 5 on 2 all over log 4, I would have accepted that answer, and that will come to 10 marks. The solution from Nkwatia Presby. So they solved, they were able to get to u equals 1 plus or minus root 5 on 2. And that was it. I mean, they didn't take log of both sides, and that was it. So they would have 7 marks. Anglican, similar to Nkwatia Presby, they also ended up u equals 1 plus or minus root 5 on 2. So they would also have 7 points for that. Aburi Presby, they didn't even start with a hint. I don't know, somehow they were going to work without the hint, but they solved and managed to get to the answer. So they have 10 out of 10. And because of that perfect score, Aburi Presby Senior High Technical School earns the Prudential Life Insurance NSMQ star for this contest. Okay. Take your screens back.
Yourself out there, facing your fears. All you need to do is keep trying and give it everything you've got, because everything you need to achieve the impossible is already inside you. So here's to the ones who give 100%. We celebrate you.
This advert is FDA approved.
Dano Milk. Go for it.
Round 4. Round 4 is a true or false round. Each question that comes to your school, I want you to tell me whether the statement I read out is true or false. If you answer correctly, you'll be awarded 2 points. If your answer is incorrect, there's a penalty point of 1. If you decline to answer or you are bailed out, another school will have the opportunity to answer your question if they ring their bell. For the same rules, 2 points if they are correct, and a penalty point if the answer is incorrect. Also, in this round, all eyes should be on me. The questions are coming from me, the answers are coming to me. There's no need communicating with anybody in the crowd. You'll be penalized if this is found out, so look at me and answer the questions. In this round, once again, I'll start from Aburi Presby. A preamble. The quadratic inequality x squared minus 5x minus 14 greater than 0 has its solution set. The quadratic inequality x squared minus 5x minus 14 greater than 0 has as its solution set Aburi Presby. X is such that minus 2 less than x less than 7. Israel.
False.
Yes, it's false. Anglican SHS. X is such that x is greater than 2 or x is less than minus 7. Yes.
False.
Yes, it's false. Nkwatia Presby. X is such that x is less than minus 2 or x is greater than 7.
False.
No. I probably didn't mention Anglican. There's no bonus in this, okay? So unless there's no answer or they rang their bell, there's no point to you ringing your bell. Aburi Presby. 2-chlorobutane is optically active. Yes, Salom.
False.
No, it's true. Anglican SHS. 2,2-dibromopentane is optically active. Yes.
True.
No, it's false. Nkwatia Presby. 2-bromo-2-chloropropane is optically active.
False.
Yes, it's false. A preamble indicates indicates whether the following are true or false with respect to lenticels. Lenticels. Aburi Presby, they are active during the day. Yes, Salom.
True.
No, it's false. Anglican, they facilitate transpiration and exchange of gases. Yes, Nathaniel.
True.
No, it's false. Nkwatia Presby, their opening and closing can be regulated.
False.
Yes, it's false. Aburi Presby, in a human eye suffering from myopia, light from distant objects focuses in front of the retina and fails to produce a sharp image on it. Yes, Salom.
True.
Yes, it's true. Anglican SHS. In a human eye suffering from astigmatism, light from distant objects focuses behind the retina and fails to produce a sharp image on it? Yes, Nathaniel.
False.
Yes, it's false. Nkwatia Presby. In a human eye suffering from astigmatism, light from objects nearby focuses behind the retina and fails to produce a sharp image on it.
False.
Yes, it's false. A preamble. Given the function y equals f of x, the function, given the function y equals f of x, the function Aburi Presby, y equals f of the expression x plus 3, represents a shift to the right by 3 units of the graph of y equals f of x. Salom.
False.
Yes, it's false. Anglican, y equals f of x plus 3 represents a vertical shift up by 3 units of the graph of y equals f of x. Yes, Nathaniel.
True.
Yes, it's true. Nkwatia Presby, y equals minus f of minus x represents a reflection in the x-axis of the graph y equals f of x.
False.
Yes, it's false. Aburi Presby SHTS. Temperature at the triple point of water equals 273.15 Kelvin. Yes, Salom.
False.
Yes, it's false. Anglican SHS. The vapor pressure of water at its triple point nearly equals atmospheric pressure. Yes, Nathaniel.
False.
Yes, it's false. Nkwatia Presby. Temperature at the triple point of water equals 273.16 Kelvin.
False.
No, it's true. Aburi Presby. The decolorization of a solution of acidified potassium permanganate will occur when a solution of Fe3 plus is added to it. Yes, Salom.
Fe3 plus. False.
Yes, it's false. Anglican. The addition of Fe2 plus ions will decolorize a solution of acidified potassium dichromate. Yes, Nathaniel.
True.
No, it's false. Nkwatia Presby. Passing hydrogen sulfide gas through a solution of Cu2 plus ions will form a black precipitate.
True.
Yes, that is true. Indicate whether the following is true or false with respect to examples of ammonification. Examples of ammonification. Aburi Presby. Conversion of nitrogen into ammonia by nitrogen fixes. Salom.
False.
Yes, it's false. Anglican SHS. Conversion of nitrates into ammonia by nitrogen fixers. Yes.
False.
Yes, it's false. And then, Nkwatia Presby, conversion of urea into ammonia by decomposers.
False.
No, it's true. That brings us to the end of round 4.
Charlie, what's up?
Bro, I do.
It's that time of the year again.
Abi, you know, we made it last year. What will be the challenge for today?
Time travel is possible. All we have to do is find E.
This one day, we could need more time for that.
But we have the best data bundles.
Yeah, bro, I see.
Do more with Ghana's best data bundles on Airtel Tigo. Big time data, Sika Coco, Morning Rush, and other amazing offers. Dial *111# now.
Airtel Tigo. Life is simple.
Whoever you're doing it for, we'll help you get it done. Simply. That's Africanacity. That's APSA.
Today, the question is no longer, why do we have problems? But rather, how can we spin those challenges into opportunities? This is the revolutionary mindset we, students here at Academic City, are driven by. Academic City, we believe that the challenges of today are nothing like the opportunities of tomorrow. Hence, we're poised for the future. And so we say,
come join us.
Pakuli.
Biasonyani.
Oyayi Tibatane.
Zafra Nabia.
Viens nous rejoindre.
Brabe Kanya. Ao, Amanasat Shame Hojao.
As we lead the charge to empower the next generation of future leaders. Academic City University College, redefining university education.
Alande. Make I walk you through my everyday life. Busy from the morning light. My to-do list long, shadow fit to overlap. So sharp, turn on mobile app. School fees check, light bills check. Do I'm with speed like a G4 jet. Baby, at the day I am not upset. Check, I don't even use checks to the check.
Join the ABSA family and make fast, easy, and safe transactions with our digital products. Log on to absa.com.gh. No long tail. We like them simple and easy.
Believe me, no long things in my life, go like I'm simple and easy. Easy.
We are offering our new and over 26 million existing customers worldwide an absolutely free COVID-19 cover. Yes, absolutely free. A couple of reasons. The satisfaction of knowing that you know we care. It's in conformity with who we are, the core of identity. We have a value of initiative that constantly drives us and to push the bar. We have a mantra, always listening, always understanding, and we back that up. Customer satisfaction is important to us. We have been doing this for over 170 years. We have honored our promise throughout the years. We were there in 1848 during the cholera pandemic, the sinking of the Titanic in 1912 through World Wars I and II, 1918 Spanish flu epidemic, through the decade of the Great Depression, 2002 SARS outbreak. And we certainly have every intention of honoring claims for this 2020 coronavirus pandemic. Hi, my name is Razak Abdul, and I'm the head of customer service here at Prudential Life Insurance Ghana. I invite you all to join the Prudential Life family today.
Okay. So before I go on to the scores for round 4, there are a few protests here I'd like to address. Yes. So I asked Kumasi Anglican Senior High School Kumasi if FE2 class will decolorize acidified K2Cr potassium dichromate. And they said it will. I said it won't. So I've spoken to the consultant. So he says there's a color change. But color change doesn't mean decolorize. Decolorize means it changes from a color to no color. But there's a color change from orange to green, I think. So that's not decolorization. So that will not be, that protest won't hold. There's another protest from Kumasi, Anglican SHS, Kumasi. The lenticels, first, so this was my question, lenticels, lenticels. That lenticels facilitate transpiration and exchange of gases. I've spoken to the consultant as well. So yeah, they are responsible for the exchange of gases, but not transpiration. And this is the explanation he gave. Because they are opening and closing cannot be regulated. If they were to be responsible for transpiration, the plant will lose so much water it would wilt and die. So then it doesn't facilitate, although some little amount of transpiration occurs through the lenticels, they are not responsible for transpiration, it's the stomata. Okay? And then Aburi Presby, you are saying lenticels are active during the day. They are not. So there was no explanation to why you said my answer was incorrect, but it's not. So lenticels are not active during the day. Okay, so that is it. Okay, so that brings the scores at the end of round 4 to Anglican Senior High School, Kumasi, 24 points. Nkwatia Presby Senior High School, 25 points. Aburi Presby Senior High Technical School, 41 points. Do you have an... Okay. Nkwatia, yes. Okay. The schools are telling us they are ready for round 5. Okay. So in round 5, I'll read out a series of clues to 4 different riddles for you. For each riddle, at any time, if you have an answer, ring your bell, I'll stop and take your answer. If your answer is correct on the first clue, 5 points. On the second clue, 4 points. Any clue thereafter, 3 points. You don't have to, you just tested your bells, so I'm sure your bells are working. I'll be looking out and listening out for them. But in this round, it's also important to know that we have what we call the Goal Riddle Bonanza. And here, Goal will reward the school that is able to answer 3 or 4 of the riddles correctly. If you answer 3 correctly, you earn 1,200 Ghana cedis. And if you solve all 4, you earn 1,600 Ghana cedis from Goal. Okay, so our first riddle. I am a volatile and toxic haloalkane. I am a potent threat to the ozone layer. I am a colorless, dense, and non-flammable liquid at room temperature. I am a simple haloalkane with no hydrogen atom. Aburi Presby.
Difluoromethane.
No. Who else rang the bell? Nkwatia. Okay.
Difluoromethane.
Is that the same thing they said? Oh? Okay. So I'll finish. Anglican, I haven't rang the bell, right? I am composed of chlorine atoms. That's the last clue. I am composed of chlorine atoms. Yes, Anglican. Yes.
Tetrachloromethane.
Yes. That came on the last clue, so 3 points. I am a biological concept that has been theorized. I am a biological concept that has been theorized. I occur when traits that predispose organisms to survive in an environment are passed from parents to their... Yes, Anglican.
Heredity.
No.
Or the theory of heredity.
No. are passed from parents to their offspring. I am the cornerstone behind Charles Darwin's. Yes, Salom.
Natural selection.
That's correct. That came on the third clue, 3 points. Our next riddle. I am a polygon. I am deformable. I am the simplest of my kind. The sum of my interior angles is 2 straight angles. Yes, Aburi Presby.
Square.
That's correct. Fourth clue, 3 points. Our last riddle. I am an object of study in physics. I generally vary with position and time. Because of this, I am a type of field. I am generated by electric charges and by varying. Yes, Salom.
Electromagnetic field.
No. So I'll continue. I am generated by electric charges and by varying magnetic fields. For a light wave, I am the field component that specifies the state of polarization of a wave. Who am I? Yes, Anglican SHS. Yes, Anglican.
Principal point.
No. Nkwatia Presby. Yes.
Okay. Electric field. Electric field density.
No. Anybody? Do you have the answer now? Okay. It's electric field. That brings us to the end of round 5.
Chat to us anytime, anywhere. Access our virtual assistant, the APSA bot, 24/7. That's Africanacity. That's APSA.
Every now and again, Goil makes good things happen. This time, Goil has introduced Super XP Ron 95, a higher grade fuel loaded with additives and yet sold at the same price as normal fuel. Go Super XP Ron 95 enhances engine performance like never before. It maintains the engine by keeping it clean from carbon deposits. Go Super XP Ron 95 is designed to burn slowly and thus improves fuel economy, making you save money after several kilometers. Go Super XP Ron 95 gives you a smooth driving experience, that is, less vibrations. Fill up with Go Super XP Ron 95. Now there's no need to pay more for any higher grade fuel. Goil has that sorted. Goil, good energy.
At the end of round 5, here are the scores. Nkwatia Presby Senior High School, 25 points. Anglican Senior High School, Kumasi, 27 points. Aburi Presby Senior High Technical School, 47 points. With that score, Aburi Presby Senior High Technical School qualifies to the quarter-final stage of the National Championship. Well done, Aburi Presby. Better luck next time to Anglican Senior High School, Kumasi, and Nkwatia Presby Senior High School. We hope to see you next year with a much improved performance. Thank you for joining us for this contest. Once again, congratulations to Aburi Presby Senior High Technical School. Make it a point to join us for the next contest, which promises to be as exciting. The National Science and Maths Quiz is proudly sponsored by the Ghana Education Service in partnership with Absa Bank and supported by Joy News, Go, Prudential Life Insurance, Airtel Tigo, GNPC, Dano Milk, Newmont Ghana, Puma Drinks, Academic City University College, Accra College of Medicine, Studio HD and YFM. I am Thelma Hineje, your quiz mistress, and this is a primetime production. Thank you and see you soon.
Into the convenience of Absa contactless cards, another innovation that's turning banking on its head. Now you can make fast, easy and safe contactless payments for everyday items. That's Africanacity. That's Absa.
Every now and again, Goil makes good things happen. This time, Goil has introduced Super XP Ron 95, a higher grade fuel loaded with additives and yet sold at the same price as normal fuel. Goil Super XP Ron 95 enhances engine performance like never before. It maintains the engine by keeping it clean from carbon deposits. Goil Super XP Ron 95 is designed to burn slowly and thus improves fuel economy, making you save money after several kilometers. Goil Super XP Ron 95 gives you a smooth driving experience, that is, less vibrations. Fill up with Goil Super XP Ron 95. Now there's no need to pay more for any higher grade fuel. Goil has that sorted. Goil, good energy.
I rather your humble servant do my back. And I tighten so crowd into you. I swear that, Jimmy. My 277. What's your missa? How the Ben Maya? Papa, to go me so. 2020 was a very tough year. 2021, dear. Mafia. First, me talk about Gary Kitwebi. Say the concrete and casa and the midi gumium. Papi, in the system in my thing. Has been so dear, but me I am a kama. I am young palm, the Miamato. Show me a miracle.
It's showering cash with a grand prize of 100,000 Ghana cedis in the Airtel Tigo Tugumisu promo. Top up, do so much more on Airtel Tigo and earn points to win lots of cash. Dial star 500 hash and recharge 5 Ghana cedis to also win data and call minutes. Get Airtel Tigo.
Airtel Tigo, no, my dear.
It's scary, isn't it? Putting yourself out there. Facing your fears. All you need to do is keep trying and give it everything you've got, because everything you need to achieve the impossible is already inside. So here's to the ones who give 100%. We celebrate you.
This advert is MD approved.
Dano Milk. Go for it.
Yo, Charlie, what's up?
Bro, I do.
It's that time of the year again, oh.
Abi, you know, we made it last year. What be the challenge for today?
Time travel is possible. All we have to do is find E.
This one day, we go need more time for that.
But we have the best data bundles.
Yeah, bro, I see.
Do more with Ghana's best data bundles on Airtel Tigo. Big time data, Sika Coco, Morning Rush, and other amazing offers. Dial *111# now.
Airtel Tigo. Life is simple.
Whoever you're doing it for, we'll help you get it done. Simply. That's Africanacity. That's APSA.
Today, the question is no longer, why do we have problems? But rather, how can we spin those challenges into opportunities? This is the revolutionary mindset we, students here at Academic City, are driven by. Academic City, we believe that the challenges of today are nothing like the opportunities of tomorrow. Hence, we're poised for the future. And so we say,
come join us.
Pakuli.
Biasanyani.
Fuyai Tibatane.
Zafula Nabia.
Viens nous rejoindre.
Brabe Kanya. Ao, Amanasat Shame Hojao.
As we lead the charge to empower the next generation of future leaders. Academic City University College, redefining university education.